Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be looking at fractions of amounts. This is a really good skill. It gets asked a lot and I know a lot of people get quite worried whenever they see the word fractions, but it's quite a simple skill, and in today's video I'm going to try to give you a method so that when that anxiety, that panic hits in the maths test, you have a method to fall back on and it's really straightforward. Okay, so something that I do find helps sometimes when I'm trying to get the hang of fractions after a while is to look at chocolate bars. And imagine I'm trying to share chocolate bars with my sister, because that is essentially fractions of amounts. So if I look at this pretty badly drawn chocolate jar here, chocolate bar, sorry. If I wanted to find half of the 8 pieces, so I want half, my sister wants half, what I would do is I want half of this. So I'm going to colour in half of the pieces of chocolate there. And so we can see if I colour in half of the chocolate, that gives me 4 blocks. And so that is my fraction of an amount. So half of 8 gives me 4. And that's really nice, really straightforward if it's a simple drawing like this and small numbers. But the other way we can do it is just to follow a method when there's slightly bigger numbers, and it will work no matter how scary the number looks. Okay, so let's have a quick look at a few examples. So in example number 1, we have what is 1/3 of 30. Okay, so yes, we could sit and draw 30 blocks of chocolate and then work out a third from there. That's fine, no problem with that. But the other way, the really simple method of doing it, is essentially when they write it like this, it is just a mathematical way of writing 30 divided by the bottom number, so divided by that 3, and then multiplied by the top number, so that 1. Okay, and this is always the case. So whenever you have a fraction of amount like this, this is how we can rewrite it. And it becomes really simple then, because if we go 30 divided by 3, that is going to give us just 10. And if we carry down that times 1, 10 times 1 gives us 10. And so we find that 1/3 of 30 gives us 10 as our answer. Okay, really straightforward method. It works all the time for fractions. Let's have a look at another example. So let's say we are looking at this one. What is 1/4 of 20? So exactly the same method we're going to apply. So we start with this number. We want the fraction of this amount. So we're starting with the 20. We're going to say 20 divided by that bottom number. Okay, so divided by 4 is going to give us 5. And then we always multiply it by that top number. So 5 times 1 gives me 5. So in 2 short seconds, I have worked out that 1/4 of 20 is 5. Okay, we are going to try it for one more example now. What I suggest, try pause the video, give it a go at yourself, and then you can check the answer once you're finished. So let's have a look at this example. As I said, pause it for a second, give it a try. Okay, so exactly the same method. We said fractions of amounts, always this method. So we always start, this is the amount that I'm working with, so 25. I'm going to divide it by this bottom number, so 25 divided by 5 gives me 5. And then I'm going to times it by the top number. So 5 times 2 gives me 10. And so, again, it really simply worked out 2/5 of 25 gives me 10. I hope this video helped. Let me know if you want me to do any other examples. The main thing I would say, if you are struggling with these, maybe check your times tables, because those are really important, your multiplication tables. And let me know if you want me to do any more.